Hi everyone, welcome along, another plumbing tutorial for you. Another video that was sent to me by one of my subscribers out there was their boiler, and it was making one hell of a racket. To that end, I'm going to show you the video now and exactly what it was. So the only clue I had was that he told me he'd taken a couple of radiators off and drained the system. So that noise there is air in the system. There's air probably in the boiler by the sound of it, but if you get air in the system, the boiler will shut down pretty rapid and can make some loud noises like so. So I knew that one was air, but you can get the same kind of noise through limescale and sludge blockage. Okay, then let's have a look at what these different boiler noises mean. What are they? There's several different types that you can get. Sound quite frightening, and they sound like the thing's going to blow up, like our friend there that just showed me that video of his boiler, clunk, bang, bang. But there's lots of different types. You can get whistling and all sorts. Generally, unless you've had your system drained out for some reason or another, and it is air in there, then it is something to do with limescale blocking the system up. Limescale attaches itself to the inside of the boiler, a bit like when you boil a kettle and it attaches to the sides of the boiler. Eventually it drops down to the plate, starts making the boiler very inefficient, and it also starts to block up the little tiny holes in the boiler and starts to make these funny, strange noises. The kettling's one of the main ones where it sounds like a kettle going off. It takes a little while to get started, and then it starts humming. This obviously is a clean out job, cleaner and descale job if you've got that one. So let's have a look what other noises we can get. The old gurgling is another one that usually does mean air. It's definitely stuck in the system. If you get that kind of noise like a whoosh and a rush, it's generally air in the system. Again, that may be all sorts of reasons. You may have done some plumbing work on the system, in which case there's air stuck somewhere. What other noises do we get? Well, the old knocking pipes is one, isn't it? Where you put the heating on, after a little while you hear a bang, 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 and it kind of sounds like it's coming from all over the house, but generally that's caused expansion in the pipes, the flow and return pipes, to the rads or to the tank. They may have been laid, the pipes, under floorboards, and probably they're touching the top of the boards, and as the pipe expands, they're banging. They're probably not lagged. Say the notches are not clean enough for the pipes. It's a bit of a unfortunately a bit of a nasty one to fix, that one, as I say, because these days all pipes are lagged up before we put them in, stop all that kind of thing happening. But it is one that unfortunately in the older houses is still going on. So what else we got? We've got the old tapping noises in central heating radiators. Have you heard that one? Where the radiator sounds like going tick, 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 you know, as it heats up. Again, that one is generally sludge build-up in the radiator. And again, the only way to do that is to either take the radiator off. I've got videos on how to do that, clean them out, flush them outside, or you can try simply putting cleaner in the whole system a couple of days and then adding the old inhibitor after that. But again, it's a sure sign that your system's getting a little bit in a bad way, so it's time for you to do something about it. So what else have we got? Yeah, last thing I can think of is the old humming and vibrating you get sometimes when you put your heating on or your hot water on, and there's a constant noise, doesn't quite go away. This could well be the pump going, heating elements could be going. They generally start to make a noise, worth a look at. Does mean you've got a sign of trouble with a different kind of problem, this humming and vibrating. Again, you'll probably need someone in to look at it, unless you can look at it yourself. A lot of times it is a central heating pump. Worth a look at, and do check there's no air stuck in the pump as well. There's a little screw at the top that you can undo and let any air out. I've got a video on how to do that if you want it. It's pretty easy, simple to check. So to sum up, that's about all there is really with boiler and house noises to do with the plumbing and heating system. Other things are not to do with the heating system, which you get mains noises obviously, which is when you get a vibrating tap washer, or you can get you know, a roof tank ball cock that vibrates and makes a hell of a noise. That goes right through the house, doesn't it? So that's something else. That's a different kind of nature, but primarily on this video we're just looking at boiler noises. So that's all I can think of off the top of my head. If I think of any more, I'll come back with you. You've probably got some. Put them down if you haven't, I'll include them on the list. Okay, that's about it then. Just a little short one, and I'll catch you again next time. Derek33, all my videos and stuff. You know where to go. Thanks guys. Bye bye.